Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel a flight on TUI Airways. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to cancel a flight on TUI Airways. The first thing you need to do is to visit the TUI website. So open your web browser and go to the TUI homepage. Alright, and once you get into the homepage, just follow the prompt at the top right corner to sign up using your account credentials. Now, once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this amazing homepage. So from this homepage, check the bookings tab. Just go ahead and look for the bookings tab, which is located in the top right corner of the page. So hover your cursor over bookings to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on My Bookings. And that's going to walk you right into the My Bookings section of TUI, which we have in here. On the My Bookings page, you will see a list of your upcoming bookings. So you can browse through to find the specific flight you wish to cancel. Or you can just head over here to type in your departure date, booking reference number, lead passenger number, and just click on log in to your booking. Once you get to the page where you have all your booking organized, click on the booking to open its details. Now, within the booking details page, look for an option labeled cancel booking or manage booking. Now, this option may vary depending on your interface or depending on your update, but it is typically listed under the options for managing or modifying your booking. Now, click on cancel booking to proceed. I'd like you to know that TUI will display any applicable cancellation policies, including potential fees or refund conditions. Review this information carefully to understand any changes or charges that may apply. Of course, if you're sure you want to cancel, confirm your choice by clicking the Confirm Cancellation button. You may be prompted to provide a reason for canceling. Once cancelled, you should receive a cancellation confirmation on the screen and via mail. Keep this confirmation for your records, as it may contain refund or booking information. If you are eligible for a refund, TUI will process it according to their policy. You can monitor the refund status through your account under the My Booking section or by contacting TUI's customer service. This process should guide you through canceling a flight on the TUI Airways. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.